Hello, guys. My name is Anup, and I'm here again with another video, or you can say another video class for comprehension skills to develop in us. Okay, so in this video, again, we are going to uh, practice for our reading and comprehension skills to grow, to improve, and to develop. Okay, so in this part, again, we are going to do the same that we have already done in the previous video, where we have read the reading material or passage which was given, and we had to answer the questions based on those reading material. So this way, in this video also we are going to do the same. Okay, and this will improve our reading and comprehension skills. Okay, so this is for grade 2 and grade 3 students, guys. So I hope that you all are going to enjoy this journey again. So let's move further. Okay, तो चलिए अब आगे बढ़ते हैं. Okay, so now in this slide you can see there is again a picture on your right side. Okay, and on the left side the description of the same picture is given, as we have already done in our previous video. Yes, so you have got the idea now that what is the process. So again I'm going to read this for you. Okay, and when the video is over you can read it on your own. Good, so I'm reading it for you. So it's like that. It is a sunny day today. The sun is shining bright. Colorful flowers are blooming everywhere. Many children are playing in the park. A boy is flying kite. Two boys are riding bicycles. There are two dogs in the park too. There are many apples on the trees. Yes, guys. So, did you read it with me? And did you also see the picture? Okay. So, this material, this passage is the description for the picture. Okay. So, this is simply a description. Okay. So, one more time, I am going to read it for you. So, let's go ahead. It is a sunny day. You can see there is a sun out there in the picture, and when sun is out we call it sunny day. So it is a sunny day today. The sun is shining bright and you can see the sky. There is no trace of clouds there. थोड़ा सा भी बादल नहीं है. And sun is shining bright. When there is no cloud, sun shines bright. Yes, so the sun is shining bright. Colorful flowers are blooming everywhere. You can see in the picture there are many flowers of different colors. So colorful flowers are blooming everywhere and they all are blooming. Yes, they all have bloomed. Okay. So many children are playing in the park. You can see there are 4, 5, 6 children who are playing in the park. So many children are playing in the park. This is a park scenery. Okay. A boy is flying kite. You can see there's a boy who's flying a kite. Two boys are riding bicycles. And you can see there are two boys who are riding bicycles. There are two dogs in the park too. And you also can see there are two dogs facing to each other. Yes? And there are many apples on the tree. There are many apples on the tree. And you can see there are two trees in this picture. And all are loaded with apples. You can see red apples there on the tree. Yes? So, this was all about the reading. Okay, guys. So, now let's move further and see what is there for us. So, again, the same kind of activity is there, true or false activity. Again, there is a statement. Okay. And if you have read it, the passage carefully, you would see whether this sentence or this statement is true or false. So when it is true, you have to say true, tick it right, and if it is wrong, you have to tick it wrong. Okay? So let's move. It is a rainy day today. See the picture. Is it a rainy day today? No, no, no. It's a sunny day. So this statement is false. You can see here. It is a rainy day today. This is false. Okay. Next. The sun is shining bright today. The sun is shining bright today. Is it a correct statement? Yes, because the sun is shining bright here on the sky. In the sky. Yes. So this is the correct statement. We can check it. Yes, the sun is shining bright today. It's a correct statement, right statement, true statement. Now, no flowers are there in the park. Are there no any flower in the park? No flowers are there in the park. Is it a true statement? Have we read it like this? No. There are many flowers in the park. So this is a wrong statement. We can check it also. Yes, no flowers are there in the park. It is a wrong statement. Yes. Okay. Next. Many children are playing in the park. Is it a correct statement, right statement? Yes, you can see there are 6 children are playing. So yes, many children are playing in the park. This is a right statement. We can check it also. Yes, many children are playing in the park. बहुत सारे बच्चे पार्क में खेल रहे हैं. Okay, let's move. Oh. Two boys are flying kites. Two boys are flying kites. Are there two boys flying kites or only one boy is flying kite? Huh? So only one boy we can see here in the picture who's flying kite. So from where two boys comes? Okay, so this is a wrong statement. We can check it also. Yes. So two boys are not flying kites. One boy is flying kite. Next. Two boys are riding bicycles. We can see here two boys are riding bicycles and we have also read it. Yes, according to the material that we have read, it is correct. So this is a right statement. ये सही statement है कि दो बच्चे साइकिल चला रहे हैं. Two boys are riding bicycles. Yes? Okay. Next. This is correct. We have already checked it. So there are 4 dogs in the park. Oh, see the picture. Are there 4 dogs or 2 dogs only? Yes. So this is a wrong statement. There are only 2 dogs in the picture. So let's check it. Yes, there are 4 dogs in the park. It's a wrong statement. Yes. Next question. There are 2 apple trees in the park. We can see 1 and 2. So there are only 2 apple trees. So this statement is correct statement. Yes, there are only 2 apple trees in the park. So we can check it. Yes, there are 2 apple trees in the park. This is a correct statement. Right. Yes. So now again, when we go further, there is another passage, but that will be the part 2 of this part. Okay. So we will do that in the next video. Okay. So till then, bye bye, and I'll be seeing you all in the next video, which is coming just after this. Okay, guys. So bye bye and do practice it. Pause the video and read it on your own and attempt all the questions on your own. Okay? And see, first practice it orally and then go to the writing. Okay, guys? Thank you.